Wait, don't skip. Just a moment. I'm about to show you something insane. Today, we're diving into the dog niche, and yes, it's 100% free. So please, stay with me till the very end of this video. You do not want to miss this. First off, take a deep breath and get ready, because this is wow. The visuals are so engaging, the characters, adorable, the animations, smooth, the energy, on another level. Every moment in this video has been crafted with detail. The dog characters? So cute, expressive, and full of personality. The movements, lifelike, energetic. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss another tutorial like this. Next step, go to YouTube and search Dost Papu. That's my official channel. And yes, it's already climbing fast with 107k subscribers. Just 34 videos uploaded, and boom, most of them have gone viral. Click on Popular and scroll through the top performing videos. You'll see the proof yourself. Millions of views, thousands of subscribers gained, insanely high engagement, unique dog characters and scenes, crafted to perfection. Pick your favorite moment, take a screenshot, and save it for inspiration. These scenes are your blueprint for viral success. Don't miss the details. Once you're done, move to the next step in the video. Step 1. Let's start strong. No wasting time. We're jumping straight into the action. First, open ChatGPT. Yes, the magic begins right here. Just like that, open your browser, go to ChatGPT, and you're ready. Now upload your screenshot, the one you took of your favorite video or character idea. Tell ChatGPT this. I want to create a video like this. Please give me a Pixar-Style 3D prompt for it, one by one. Boom! Just type it in, hit send, and now... Wait for it! Yes. It's happening. ChatGPT will now start generating super detailed, creative, and professional quality prompts just for you. Not just random ones, but Pixar-style 3D look with stunning colors, lighting, character design, and emotional vibes. Now, check each prompt carefully, one by one. Look at the characters. Notice the expressions, read the scene setting. Feel the mood it creates. It's not just a prompt, it's a mini-movie script. These prompts are so powerful, they can literally guide an AI to create movie-level visuals. Every detail, from freckles to glowing eyes to swirling magic in the background, is included. Go back and read each one again. Are the characters matching your niche? Is the theme exciting? Is the setting eye-catching? Yes? Then copy the first prompt and get ready to use it in your next tool. Step 2. Let's bring your fruity characters to life. Alright, now the magic really begins. I discovered this mind-blowing platform called Piclumen. And let me tell you, it's a game changer for creating stunning AI-generated visuals that feel like they've been pulled straight out of a dream sequence. As soon as I opened the site, I was like, yep, let's go. No time to waste. We're making magic today. I hit the Create button and instantly, a sleek, smooth interface popped up. Bam! The first image appeared, and it was breathtaking. So crisp, so cinematic. It looked like it came from a Disney or Pixar studio. The lighting, magical, the details, insane. But hey, I didn't stop there. Prompt 2, even more magical. Prompt 3, gave me chills. Prompt 4, 5, 6, absolute masterpieces. Each one felt like its own little story. Each image had emotion, color, and energy, like they were ready to move, speak, and live. When I lined them up side by side, I was honestly blown away. They all had their own style, their own vibe, and yet still connected beautifully as a set. I kept saying, this one's a banger. No, wait, this is the one. Okay, how are they getting better? It was a whole vibe. I couldn't even choose a favorite. Once I was done, I just clicked download. And boom! I now had a gallery of high-res AI art ready for the next step. Step 3. animate those images with pure AI magic. Now that you've got your gorgeous characters, we're going to make them move using a totally free site called Magi AI. And yes, it's 100% free. No hidden fees, no paywalls, and you're in. Look in the top right corner. You'll see 500 free credits waiting for you. That means, yes, you're ready to start animating. Completely free of charge. Let's break it down. Creating your animated clips. One click on the Projects tab in the sidebar. Now we animate. First image, upload it. Paste the matching prompt. Choose 5 seconds, duration. Hit Generate Done. Second and third images. Same process. Upload, prompt, set time, generate quick easy done, fourth and fifth images. Rinse and repeat. Magi AI makes it effortless. In less than a few minutes, you'll have a full lineup of animated clips that look like short scenes from an animated film. Give it 5 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. All clips done. And wow, they look incredible. Smooth animation, amazing quality, and rich emotion, just like a real studio production. Now hit that download button for each video and get ready for the final transformation. Final step. Let's edit it all together in CapCut. Here's where we build the full story. Open CapCut. Use the app or desktop, both are fast and super clean. Import your video clips one by one. Drag them onto the timeline to build your full animated sequence. Think of it like directing your own animated short film. Clean up, got a watermark or logo? Zoom in slightly using the scale tool. Crop it out. Now everything looks professional, polished and clean. Add transitions click between clips and use effects like crossfade, zoom in, slash out, slide or cinematic swipe. These transitions will make your video flow like a movie trailer. Preview the full timeline. Watch it all come together like a dream. The story, the visuals, the rhythm, everything in sync. Last step, export. Export in 4K for the highest quality possible, crisp visuals. No lag looks amazing on any platform. Wait for it. Yes, yes, yes. Your full animation is done. Cinematic, original, and completely built by you using free AI tools. Now it's your time to shine. Watch your creation. It's colorful, emotional, and ready to go viral. Smash that like, hit that subscribe, and comment what you want me to make next. Prompts, tools, tutorials. I got you. Thanks for watching.